So, in today's class, we are going to learn about many more new things. The first is the square numbers. Okay, so square numbers is nothing. Don't get scared. Square number is nothing but a number multiplied by itself. Like
Mm,
if we multiply 2 with 2, then what we get?
what?
So this 4 is a
2 square?
square number. This 4 is a
Square number.
square numbers. Because how we get 4? We get 4 when we multiply 2 with 2. Okay, Jessica? Do you
Well,
have
actually,
anything?
not square numbers, but actually, for example, if you write 4 and 2 is your square, you just do 4 times 4, which is 16.
Yeah. This 4 times 4 is also a square number because it gives 16. So 16 is a square numbers. Yeah. Yes, Riyans?
16.
I don't think prime numbers can be square numbers. They can't be square numbers, right? Prime numbers.
Yeah, it can't be private. It can't be square numbers. So, is this a square number?
No, that's the multiplication.
Yeah, this is a square number. Don't get scared, Riyans.
Oh,
It's a square number. Because
I
what
thought
we
the
did,
answer was
yeah. The answer was 9. So this is a square numbers.
square
Okay. So if
number.
I ask like this way, now we try to write all those square numbers from the beginning. So first square number is, we write square numbers like this way. 1
Yeah.
index 2. We denote it like this way. So what it equals? It equals 1 multiply 1, which is
1,
1.
1.
2 square. It means
2
2,
into 2,
which equals
4.
then 3 square. This is 3 multiplied with 3, which is 9.
9.
Okay, and similarly, we could write the square numbers of every number, right? So if we talk about a square number, so this 3 is not a square number. 3 multiplied 3, which is 9, this is a square number, right? So is 20 a square number or not?
Yes, it is a square number. 10 times 10 equals. No, 10.
20 times 2 is 40, so
Yeah.
it can actually be a square.
It
No,
can.
20 times 20.
What the square number say? A number multiply itself.
Yeah, so 20 times 20.
20 times 20 equals what? 20 times 20 equals 20?
100? Yeah, 400.
No, 20 is not a square number.
Oh,
If we multiply 20 with 20, then we got 400. So this 400 is a square number, right?
Oh, yeah.
This 20 is not a square number. Okay?
20 times
So
20.
is this 25 a square number?
Yes, 5 times 5 equals 25.
Yeah, very good. So 25 is a square
Square
number.
number.
Okay. Then is 47 a square number? Sorry, 49 is a square number?
Yes, 7 times
Yeah.
7 equals 49.
Very good. Next, I'm asking about 81. Is 81 a square number?
Yeah, because 9 times 9 is 81.
Very good. So now both of you understood what the square number is. Okay? Then the second thing is square root. Square root is just opposite of those square numbers. Okay? So what the square number is? Square number says like if we multiply a number with itself, then we get a square number, right? But if we talk about square root, so square root says what number we multiply itself so that we get 4. If I ask, and square root is denoted like this way. Okay. So if I ask that what is the square root of 4? So what you need to think? You need to think that what number we multiply with itself so that our answer became 4. Okay. So what would be the answer?
2.
Jessica, did you get my point, what I asked?
Did I?
No. So what is the square root of 9? Jessica?
You just do 9 divided by 2.
No. If I ask any question, you need to think what number multiply itself so that the answer became this.
Oh, 3 times 3 is 9.
So square root of 9 is 3.
3.
Square root of 4
Oh,
is 2.
2.
Okay?
Yeah.
Rians, next it's your question. What's the square root of 16? Good. What's the square root of 64?
8.
Very good. So this is the square root. So the square root is nothing but just opposite of square. Okay?
Number.
Yeah, this opposite of a square number. The next thing is
Number.
cubes. Cube number. So in cube number, we multiply the number by itself 3 times. In a square, we multiply it number by 2 times, okay? We multiply 2 multiply 2. Then this is a square number, right?
Yeah.
And if we are asking about cube number, then we multiply this 2 3 times. And we denote it like this way, 2 cube. Okay? So what will be the answer of this?
27.
27.
Wow, who answered first? Jessica.
Mm.
Good. Because 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. I think both of you, I think that both of you answered like 9. Okay. No, maybe if you confuse, then you think like 9, but it is not 9. It's 27. Good.
We just learned square.
Yeah.
Oh.
9 is a square. Yeah. So what is the cube of 4?
36.
32.
Yeah. Now you trap the confusion. Please think carefully. What I was thinking, you both trapped there. Do the working, Rayans. You could also do the working and answer me. What?
64. Actually 64.
Very good, Jessica. Because 4 times 4 is 16, right? And if
Yeah.
we multiply 16 with 4, then we get 64. Okay?
Yeah.
What's the opposite of this cube number? Is cube root. Opposite of square number is square root. So opposite of cube number is cube root.
Root.
So we denote cube root like this way. Cube root of 8. Answer me. Cube root of 8 became what?
2.
2.
Wow. Think carefully and chat me. I want to see who answered first.
What is the
Jessica.
question?
Mm-hmm. Yes, Riyans?
What is the question?
This is the question. Cube root of 125. 125.
And something's wrong.
Nothing
Oh,
is wrong. Think carefully. There must be three numbers which multiply, so we get 125. What will be the answer? The answer is one only, but just you need to think like this way. A number which multiply itself three times, then we get the answer.
hmm?
Chat me the answer. Don't tell her. Try it by taking few numbers like 3 multiply 3, 4 multiply 4, 5 multiply 5, 6 multiply 6, 6, 7 multiply 7. Think like this way.
Okay. Hmm.
Jessica, what happened with your video?
Hmm.
Maybe you accidentally touched any. Oh, why you stuck with this? It's very simple.
Hmm.
Just start with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. Try. You must got your answer.
606. Woo, woo. Okay.
Think cleverly.
Oh, 200. Hmm. Six, six.
What happened, Jessica? Do you want to
One
ask
two.
something? Hmm?
I got 1 2. I got 126. 126.
Yeah.
How you get 126? When you multiply it with?
42 times 3.
What
Huh?
my god? Oh, you multiply 125 with 3.
Oh, I've just done 42 times 3 too.
So what's the cube number says? Cube number says a number multiply itself 3 times. How we answer this cube of 8 is 2? Because If we multiply 2 with 2, then 2, then we get 8. Right? So the cube number says if we multiply a number with itself 3 times. So here 2 multiply with itself 3 times, right? Then we get 8 as our answer. So if we ask about cube number, then we say cube number of 2 is 8. Cube of 2 is 8. But if we talk about cube root, so we ask that what is the cube root of 8? So we say 2. Okay? What is the cube root of? Now you get this answer because here, if we multiply 5 with 5 3 times, okay? When you multiply 5 with 5, then we get 25. And if we multiply this 25 with 5 again, then our answer became 125.
Wait, what? 5 times 5.
Oh, yeah, I thought it would be I was thinking in my head, it should be 5 times 5 times 5, and I was like thinking, but it's 3, so I thought it could be random. But how can you do that?
Because this is very easy. Here I see at the end the number is written like 5. Okay. And if we multiply 2 with any number, we never get 5.
So
Right?
what's the 3 for? What's the 3 for?
Okay, just tell me what the cube root of 27. Try to search it out. Start from the beginning.
9 times 3 is 27.
No, you don't need to think like 2 multiple. A number multiply with itself 3 times.
What the answer?
You get the answer. You wrote, no, I didn't get your, did you chat me?
Oh, the before answer, the 125 or the 327.
Did you chat me? I unable to see your chat.
Oh, it says chat disabled.
No, chat is not disabled. You can chat me.
It says chat disabled for me. I can see hi, but it's
Try to reply there.
Yeah, my chat is disabled as well, and I can see all hi as well. Same thing for me.
whenever you can see your messages, it just says a big chat.
Chat to see.
Why chat is disabled? I allow both of you to chat me.
There's still chat disabled.
And I know the answer for the 327. The answer, but I can't put it. It's at the top. It says everyone, and then next to it says new chat. We're on
What?
everyone. It
Oh,
says
yeah.
everyone on top,
New chat.
but then there's no private chat or nothing.
is
Yeah.
it working now?
No, still chat disabled for me.
Oh, what happened with this?
Yeah, now it's allowing me.
Now it's allowing me.
Oh, thank God. I'm doing nothing.
Wait, wait, Jessica, can you see my hi?
Jessica,
Oh, you can see it. We need private.
Can you see mine?
I can't see yours. Yeah, I can.
But I can see yours.
Wait, I can't see yours.
I can see yours.
what happened? Where you chat? Jessica?
I can see I can see Risham's hi message.
I can't see yours. Where did you type it?
Oh, Dad, send it.
Where do you type?
I saw you put a thumbs up.
Okay, that means you actually saw everything, but where is the... I can't see yours. If you can see mine, I need to like do something
Yeah.
else.
Just give me a few seconds. But how it allowed Ryan said to see Jessica because oh yeah.
It
Now
says 2 thumbs up.
again, Jessica Ryan's try again.
Now my chat is disabled.
And now it says that's disabled, but I see Jessica's thumbs up. I don't see her chat, I see her thumbs up.
Yeah, because I was just testing you to see it or not.
So
It's working now, I think.
it says chat disabled still.
For you both, it's chat disabled.
Yeah.
Now it's working.
Oh, now it's working.
Can you see
It says
mine?
message everyone.
Don't message there. Where is the message for everyone? Don't message there.
I can still see Rishant.
Ryan's?
I can still see his hi.
Yeah, because Ryan's reply in the message everyone.
I can't find the new chat. It just says everyone on top. I don't know how to do it.
Oh, now my chat is disabled. What is going on?
Okay, now I put to Monvi. I put it to Monvi.
My chat's disabled. I can't write anything.
I found it.
Yeah?
I think I sent it to you. I think you can see it now.
Yeah, I can see Ryan's hi.
Yeah, I wrote Monvi on the new chat and it popped up.
Did you
Oh.
just say hi right now?
Yeah, now I can see H. I can just see the
Because
H.
Jessica reply on everyone, maybe. No,
Can
Jessica,
you see mine?
don't chat there.
Wait, what? I'm so confused.
So you have to go to new chat and search Monvi and then it will pop up like to Monvi.
Yeah.
Right.
Ryan's is right now.
Let me just see if you actually have done it.
Jessica, could you see those plus symbol? New chat option there.
What's in your name yet?
Pick my name.
Yeah.
And it should show an option, Monvi. Okay, press to Monvi and enter.
I entered it.
Yeah, now I see your hi again. Try to write something else. Now Ryan's check. I was saying Jessica. Yeah. Ryan's, you
Yeah?
see Jessica's message or not?
I don't see anything.
Yeah, now it's working, I think.
Can you see my hi?
Did you just write it?
Just write again. Try to write again. Yeah.
Yeah, write it again.
I did.
I can't see yours.
I
Then
see.
that's fine.
Okay. Now it's that's fine. Yeah. It's working now. Okay, so answer me this question then. Sorry.
Okay,
I think we both disturbed because of this chat.
I think I put the answer.
Yeah. And you are correct.
Yay.
Jessica again? No.
I just got 26.
This is the question.
Also, can I go to the toilet, please?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you.
But please come quickly. Priyans, what will be the answer of this question?
See.
This one.
Oh, no. Hmm.
You need to work it out. How you find it
That's 8 squared.
mentally.
Oh, right. Let me do. Is it, right? Is that the answer?
Yeah. I think now you get my point. What the cube numbers, what the cube root, everything is clear now. Okay. So what the square number
the
is?
square
Riyans?
number is the number multiplied 2 times.
Multiply 2 times, not 8 times 2 is 16. So 8 is a square number. No. A number multiply itself 2 times. Okay. And what the cube
And
root?
if you the
Just
number
opposite of
multiplied
a
by
square. Yeah, just opposite of square numbers. Okay.
3 times. 3 times.
So first is square number. Opposite of square number is square root. Then we talk about cube number, and opposite of cube number is cube root. So now I think this is clear. Jessica, what will be the answer? Please unmute yourself, Jessica. It will be 3 because 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Then we get 27. Right? I can't hear you. Jessica?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you understand this all?
Yeah.
So the next thing is number sequence. Number sequence is nothing, but we just need to list out the number and find out the logic behind this, what the rule says. Priyansh, please unmute yourself.
Yeah.
So what the number sequence? So number sequence is a list of number which always follow one rule. Yes, Jessica?
You know what sequence is? It's basically where you jump your numbers. Like for example, you do for question 1 here, you have to do 5, 6, 7, which jumps to 2, 7, 8, 9 jumps to 2, 9 to 11 is jumps to 2. So then you got to do 11 plus 2, which is 13.
Yeah. So number sequence is normally simply a sequence of number, okay, which always follow a rule. So if we write like 4, 7, 10, 13, okay, and what our work is, we just need to check the I mean, this number sequence always follow certain rules. It either follow the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Okay, and sometimes in a one sequence there were two logic. Okay, there were two patterns. So we need to check this first. So here what we see this number gone increasing. Okay, so when the number is increasing, we just think like, oh, maybe something will add with this number. So here, if we add 3 with 4, then we get 7, right?
Yeah.
And if we add 3 with 7, then we get 10.
10.
And if we add 3 with 10, then we get 13.
Yeah.
I got my answer in the
So
chat.
what the next number is?
3.
No, the next number in this sequence.
Oh,
Which
next is 16.
Yeah, the next number is 16. Similarly, in question number 1, this number also follow one sequence.
Hmm.
Could you chat me what will be the answer of question number 1?
Okay. I typed it in.
Yeah, you are. What you wrote? Don't write the logic. Just write the answer. What will be the next number?
Oh, next number.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yes,
Sorry.
Jessica, you are correct.
I'll put it down for now.
Rians. Yeah. So the next question is 2, then 5, then 9, then 14, then 20. Okay. So for checking the logic behind this, we must need to subtract these two. Then we see like what number got increasing. Here 5 minus 2 is 3, right? And then 9 minus 5 is 4. 14 minus 9
4,
is 5. And
5,
20 minus 4 is 6. So what we
6
see that
is
yeah,
going in
it's
ones.
increasing one by one. So here, if we add 3 with this 2, then we got 5. If we add 4 with 5, then we get 9. And if we add 5 with 9, we get 14. And if we add 6 with this 14, we get 20. Then what we need to add with this 20?
7,
And then what will be our answer?
27.
Very good. Uh, okay. So sometimes the number also gone multiply with some numbers. Like in question number 3, could you please both of you try it first? That either it must add it with some number or subtract it with some number or multiply or divide. So first check the logic behind that and then try to answer me.
Okay. Hmm? What? Hmm? There's
Yes.
free twos. There's free twos and then 4, 6, 10.
I got my answer.
Unfortunately, you are wrong. So yeah, this is not very easy question. Maybe that's why you both got stuck. What
Wait,
happened? Yeah, what happened here is 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6
yeah.
plus 4 equals 10. 10 plus 4 equals 16. 16 plus 10 equals 26. Then
Try it.
so if we add these two, then we got our next answer.
I chat it.
Good. Jessica, could you also please try?
Oh.
Yeah, Jessica, you are also correct. Oh, sorry. Okay, now try to solve question number 4. What happened, Ryan's?
Had to blow my nose.
Oh,
Question number 4. Okay. Is this the answer?
good, Ryan's. Wow, Jessica, both of you understood. I don't need to explain this stuff. Okay, so here what we see, the number goes down, right? So first it subtract 1, okay? Then 2,
2,
3, 4,
3,
and
4,
we need to subtract it. Yeah, now I think you both get the answer. Okay, next question number 5. Actually, why I try to solve this all, because the all questions have different logic. Okay, so if you go through this all, then you understood that how we think about this number. So try to solve question number 5, please. Don't forget, we need to follow this rule. We need to first check either they got add, subtract, multiply, divide.
I'm done.
Done.
Deshiko, you're not correct. May you miss something.
I put my answer.
Rians, you're correct. Good. It's just about a little bit of focus, right? If you go
Yeah.
through this number, then sure you got the answer. So, Rians, could you please help me?
Okay.
Jessica, you need.
Done.
Okay, try. Then.
I keep getting the same answer.
Okay, then please
A
see.
different way.
See on the board. What happened here is,
You do
Rians, I asked with you.
so you double it's doubling. So 3
Yeah.
at 3 is 6. So
So
you do
3 times 2 equals 6.
and then 6
6
times
times
2
2 equals
is
12.
12. 12
12
times
times
2
2, 24.
24.
And if you multiply
24,
24 with 2, we got
40.
48.
And then
Then,
48 times 2 is 96.
hmm, what you say, Trians? So what will be the answer, Jessica?
Hmm.
Jessica.
Yeah, I mean, it's careful. 96?
Yeah. So what we need to do, we need to see this sequence very carefully. Okay? They always follow some pattern. Always. Okay? So next one, question number 6. Be careful, okay? Either it
Hmm.
follow two sequence, two logic, okay? So try to answer me question number 6. This is not very easy. So be careful.
What question number is that?
6.
Hmm?
Oh,
Okay. Oh, okay. I think it's this. Is this the answer? Oh,
You're very
I was
close,
thinking about.
Rans. You're very close. Try one more.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Actually, this question is confusing because it followed two patterns.
Huh? I think I did it.
yeah, I don't really get it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I didn't get the correct answer now. Hmm. Jessica,
I don't really understand.
not understand. This sequence
Okay,
follow
so
the two
two.
pattern actually. I told you the sequence either follow the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division or it follow two pattern. So in this question, this follow two pattern actually. One is this, which is marked from blue line. Okay, and second one is this. Here, what we see,
Now I get it. I get it.
yeah, if we add 2 with this 2, then we got 4. And then 4 with 2, then 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Right?
Yeah.
Riyans, what are you doing?
I'm just minusing one.
Now, here what it says. 1, then it became 4, then 7, then 10. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And 10 plus 3 equals?
13.
13. So
13.
13 will be the answer. If I give you
I
2
got
dash, if I give this 2 dash, so one more answer will this. What will be the answer then? Rians, what are you doing? Why you write 11? It increased by 2.
2, 4, 6, 6. Oh no, why? Flipped. Sorry, my fault.
Oh, okay, it's fine. Jessica, I think I don't get this question.
Not really.
Yeah, it little bit confusing, but it's fine. Try to understand that a single question follow two pattern. It may happen that it follow two pattern. Sometimes it three also. Okay, so be careful. Here it follows two patterns. Okay, then we just need to find the logic. Okay, so here what we see, this is 2, then 1, then 4 again, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 10, then 10, then 10 again. So we must need to think like, oh, either it follow the two pattern. Okay, then we try to check it out. Here we see the 2 became 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, right? So what we are
Yeah.
observing from this? We observe that it always increased by 2, right? And for the remaining numbers here, what we see, first it was 1, then 4, then 7, then 10. So here we observe that it got increased by 3 each time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we think about those answers. The dashes comes here after 10. So this sequence end at this point, right? And for that next number, it must need one gap in between because it always took one gap, right? So the answer must come out with this upper sequence. Okay, so in upper sequence, the number gonna increased by 3 each time. So here, if it is 10, then we need to add 3 with this 10, and our answer became 13. Okay, it's little bit confusing, but after practicing, you both understood and able to solve. Okay,
Yeah.
it's fine then. Sometime it also follow those square numbers, right? Look, the question number 7, first it is 1 and 1 is the square of 1. Okay, then it is 4 and 4 is square of 2, then it is 9 and 9 is square of 3. Look, question number 7, please.
Okay, squares.
Yeah, so what will be the answer? Square of 1, 2, 3. Just answer me, what will be the answer?
Two.
First it is 1, then 4, then 9, then 16, then what? So 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 3 is the square of 3,
I got
16
it.
is the,
Oh, 20.
yeah, Jessica, now you get it. Okay, so it's very easy, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, question number 8 follow the cube number, right? Because we see first is 1, then 8, then 27, then 64. Okay? So it followed the cube number. And in question number 9, it again followed the 2 sequence. Similar at question number 6. Question number 9 is similar as question number 6. But there's 2 dash. So you need to answer out this 2. Okay? And in question number 10, it started from -5. Then it became 1, then 7, then 13. So it always added with
6.
yeah, good, Rans. Good observing. In question number 11, it also followed those 2 sequence. Okay? So now I think you understood this sequence number. It's a little bit confusing, but after practicing, I granted you that both of you understood very well. So it's time to break. Okay?
Then I think 8
So we
questions.
meet. Yeah?
We only finished 8 questions.
Yeah. No, we finished this whole. We understood what the sequence number, what the number sequence says. Okay. Now we started with factors. But after break, we meet at 7:20.
Okay.
And what is the time now? 7:17, so it's 3 minutes.
I'm here.
We're back.
Sorry for taking a bit long.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry for taking a bit long.
Yeah. Because today I only gave you 3 minutes break. Maybe that's why Ryan's took longer. What happened, Ryan's?
He's on mute.
Ryan's, you're on mute. Could you please unmute yourself?
Now he's gone. Oh, no.
Some things.
What happened, Ryan's?
The Something was wrong with this thing.
Okay. So now we're going to talk about factors. Do you know factors?
Okay.
Ryan's, please move your hand from your laptop.
Something strange.
Okay. So Jessica, you know about factors?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is it?
Factors are where you, for example, it's 20. You just write 5, 3, 20, 2,
What
1, and 10.
what
Because
adds up to the
Okay, Ryan's,
number?
could you please explain what
Okay.
is factor?
It's like a factor is what numbers can add up to the number that is given. So like for example what she said, 20. 5 add if you do 5 add 4 times it's 20. So 5 is a factor. And 4 is also a factor because 4 added 5 or 4 times 5. No.
Yeah.
So if
So
you add 5 4 times and 4 5 times, then
yeah.
it's 20.
So if any number will divide with this exactly, so that number became the factor of this 20. Okay? That's why we say 1 is the factor of every number because 1 can divide any number exactly, right?
Yeah.
Right.
So what the factor of 20? First we write 1 because 1 is a factor of every number. Then is 2 a factor of 20 or not?
Yes.
3,
No.
No.
4,
No. Yes.
Yes.
5,
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes.
6,
No.
No, 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 not at all.
7,
No.
8,
No.
No.
9,
No.
10,
Yes.
Yes.
and then 20. So these all are the factor of 20 actually. Okay. So when we need to find the factors, we always, if we do it in pair, then we able to answer it out like how many factors are there in total. So here what I asked write down the factors of 20. So how you need to begin? You need to begin like this way. Oh, I need to find the factor of 20. So if we multiply 20 with 1, then we get 20, right? Don't like write like this way, write like this. 1 multiply with 20 equals 20. So 1 is the factor. Then 2 multiply with 10 equals 20. 3 multiply with nothing. 3 multiply with any number, is it become 20?
No.
Is it possible? No. So we don't write like this. Then 4 multiply with 5 equals
20.
3.
Then after 5,
5 multiplied by 4.
5 multiplied by 4
4.
equals 20.
20.
Yeah, then 10 multiply with 2. Actually, from here, what happened is the number gone repeated itself. Right?
That's shaky. Your screen's shaky. It's like an old television. Like
Oh,
that.
Well, for me, your screen keeps going small and small.
my screen comes small.
For her, but me, it's just going like the black lines are going up. Like an old
What?
television.
That's
But for
echo.
me, it's fine actually.
Like an old television movie. Like on the screen.
I think it's an echo for you.
Could you see the board properly or not?
I can see the board properly, yes.
Okay, then it's fine. Just focus on the board. So what happened here is, what we see, the number gone repeated. Okay, here we write 4 multiply 5. Then it got repeated at 5 multiply with 4. Right?
Yeah.
So from here, it got repeated. Then we need to write 10 multiply with 2. Then 20 multiply with 1. Okay? So from here onwards, what we observe that the number gone repeated. So whenever we reach the half of this number, then we need to stop then and there, because the next factor is the number itself. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so for every number, two factors are always possible. One is 1 and second is the number itself. Okay, so two factors are always possible, which is one is 1 and second one is the number itself. So whenever you write, when you start to writing the factors, just when you reach out the middle of those numbers, because for this 20, the half is 10, right?
Yeah.
So you need to stop then and there, because the next number is the number itself. Okay, in the meanwhile, nothing is possible. Between 10 and 20, nothing will be possible. Okay, so just try to chat me the factor of 12.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
Where are
done.
you? Oh, where is that? Oh.
I'm done.
Okay, always started with 1, okay, because this give us a clear side. You could write from any, but it always start with 1, because for first is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6. 6 is the half of this 12, so the next factor is 12. Good, Jessica.
Hmm.
Did you get this point, Rayans?
Yeah,
Is it okay?
Yeah, I'm just typing it in.
Okay, okay. So leave it. If you understood, then leave it. The next thing is common factor. So
Oh,
if I give you two numbers, one is 12 and the next one is maybe 9. Okay, so what the factor of 9? Yes,
3,
Jessica?
1.
so you have
Start.
to give.
Hmm?
Yeah. So 1 9s are 9.
Yeah, first is 1,
Then 3.
Yeah, 3 would be
then
1. 2.
2. Is it possible?
Oh,
2 divide with 9.
no.
No, it's not possible, Jessica.
Then 9 itself.
A
Yeah, then
9.
9. Yeah, then 9. So if we talk about common factor, So 1 is common in this both. Okay? Then 3. Nothing. Okay? So what the common factor of 12 and 9? So you could answer it like 1 and 3. Okay?
Okay.
Try to check me question number 13.
Do you have to write your times tables out and then find? Oh no, it's fine. That's lowest common multiple.
That's the easier way. You could use your memory and you could just think it out, like what's the factor of those numbers. Don't got stuck with those multiple. I just explain because the main concept is just from there only. You don't need to understood those concepts. I just explain it. Okay, who answer? Oh, Rians. What's the question is?
Half the answer.
Just write the common multiple. You don't need to write the whole thing. The question says write down the common factor of 8 and
Okay.
12.
So
I'm done.
um,
Or should we do it like common
Just
multiple?
just tell me the common factor, not the factor of these both 8 and 12. Just write down the common. What the question asks? Question is asking about write down the common factor. It don't say like write down the factor of these two. So
Oh,
chat me again. Yeah, just the common factor only. See the common in between. First, you need to write down the factor of 8, then the
I think
factor of 12, and at the end, write down the common factor.
I put my answer.
same.
Good.
I'm going to.
Good, Rans.
I'm done.
What you wrote? It
1, 2.
acts. Common. Here. The factor of 8 is, Jessica, 1, 2, 4, then,
8.
yeah. What the factor of 12? Do fast, please. First is 1.
1, 12, 2, and 6. And 3 and 4.
Okay. 3, 4, then 6, and then 12. Okay? Now you need to think what the common in between. First is 1 is common. Then 2 is also common. 3 is common in between 8 and 12. Jessica, please think carefully. 3 is common between 8 and 12. No? 4?
Yes.
So we write 4 here. Then 6? No?
No.
12? No?
No.
8? No? So these three numbers are the common factor of 8 and 12. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
The next thing is highest common factor. What it says? Highest common factor. In short, we say it like HCF. Okay? So what's the highest between these three? Riyans, you could also answer me.
Highest of the three is
Highest.
4. 4. 4.
4. So answer will be 4. So when we are asking about the highest common factor, so first we need to find out the factor of these two. Okay. Then after we need to write down the common factor and see which is the highest. Okay. Then we can answer it out. Jessica, did you get it? Did you get this concept?
Yeah, I get it now.
Okay. Oh. So if I ask that what the HCF of 15, 20, and 25. HCF, which means highest common factor. So first you need to find out the factor of 15, then 20, then 25. After that you need to find out the common factor among these three, then see which one is the highest. Try to work it out, Jessica. First factor of 15 is, then 20, then 25.
Try do it.
Yeah, you can both can do it. And chat me the answer, please. So factor of 15 equals what? I think Jessica being a little bit confused.
No, I'm not that confused. It's just that I'm afraid that I don't really know. I have to like calculate 15 and 20 and 25 the long way, which takes me time.
Okay.
I
Just
need help.
yes,
I need
Riyaz.
help. What after? So for the factors, I don't know what comes after 5.
Oh, after 5.
I think it's 15.
Yeah, for 15, just think like this way. First is 1, then 2 is not possible, then 3, then 5, then 6 is also not possible. 6 doesn't come in 6 timetable, 15 will never come. In 7 timetable also, 15, did 15 come in 7 timetable? No.
No.
In 8
6
also no. In
and
9
10.
also no. Because you just need to read it out like this way. 8 times 2, 16. Oh, 15 not possible. Right? 9 times table, no. 10 times table, no. So after 5, the next will be 15 only. Okay?
Hmm.
So with this 20, first 1, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 10. Because in 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 is not possible. Right?
Yeah.
And as 10 is the half of this 10, so 20. So after 10, what will be the next factor? 20 itself. So for 25, first is 1, then 2, not possible, 3, not 4, no, then 5. In 6 times 20 will never come. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, 12, 13, 14, no, no, no. So the next is just 25. Because we know the timetable till 12, okay? So we remember, oh, we can't see 25 in this timetable, okay? So these things comes out just because of those practice.
Put the answer.
Good, Rians. So after this, what we need to do, Rians? First, we need to find out the question asks about HCF, right? So for finding those HCF, what we need to do? We need to first find out the factor of these three, okay? After
Yeah.
that, what we need to do?
After that, you need to find the highest common factor.
First common factor, then highest, okay? First, we need to find out the common factor among these three, okay? So what the common factor is?
1 and 5.
1 and 5. and the height is 5. So HCF is 5. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so then try to chat me the answer of question number. Oh, this is, yeah, question number 15, please.
Can I please go to the toilet?
Yeah, sure. Please come back quickly.
One. Six. One, two, four, five, six, no, seven, no, eight, nine, 10, 11, no, 12, 13, 14, 15. The answer this.
Good, Riyans. Wow. You're very clever, I think. Don't do this, Riyans. I don't like this. You're sitting in front of me, okay? Just feel like this is a real class and sit straight. So I think now you understood what the factor is, then what the common factor, and then highest
HCF.
common factor. In short, we say it HCF. Okay. So if earlier I asked about what is the HCF of this, then you might get confused what this word says HCF, right? But it is very easy. Okay.
Are you learning about the LCM?
Yeah. After this, we start LCM. I just wait, Jeshika.
Multiple. I think we know what multiples is.
Yeah, actually, LCM is
I don't
nothing but multiple only.
I don't think we will go through that. Just quick, like a multiple is that, and then move on to the common multiple.
Yeah. So, Jessica, when you leave from this, don't switch off your camera. I request both of you. Okay. In break time also, you just go. Just mute yourself and go. Don't switch off your camera. So, as this question, after, I think, Jessica, you understood what the HCF is?
I know what LCM is. I've been learning this since year 4.
Oh, good. So, the LCM is nothing but multiples. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I ask about multiple, so multiple is what? Multiple means just the timetable. So
Yeah.
what's the multiple of 5? Is
Multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80,
yeah,
85,
stop,
90.
stop. So on. Never end. Right? It never end actually. So question never says like write down the whole all multiple of this number because it's not possible to write down that on page. Okay. So if we talk about factors, what the factor of this number, so they may ask like write down all factor of 25. But it never says like write down the all factor of all multiple of 5. Okay? Because it's not possible. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we talk about the multiple of 4. Uh, Now we talk about common multiple. Okay? So if I ask what the common multiple of 4 and 6, write down the first two common multiple of 4 and 6.
In chat.
Yeah. Two
Then
common multiple of 4 and 6.
the first two common. Wait,
Yeah,
and
the
one.
first two. Yeah, the first two.
The first two. So 1, 2. Okay.
Common multiple, not the factor.
Common number. Hmm. Oh, sorry. Forgot to add the thing. The one. There. I think I done it.
First two. I'm just not talking about one common multiple. First two common multiple. Yes, Rishika?
I can't see the board. No, I mean, I still can't see it.
What happened with both? Riyans, is anything wrong in your shy also?
No,
What happened, Jessica?
I think you should check your screen.
My screen is working because Riyans didn't complain this. He able to see my board. Something wrong with your side.
No,
Do you have any internet issue, Jessica?
no.
Hmm.
Then why it
There's like,
happened? Yeah?
I don't, now I can see a board. It
It
just
just
keeps, it just keeps stop. It just keeps letting me not see your board, and I can see your board. Not seeing your board, and I can see your board.
oh, maybe
Yeah,
just because of the network issue. I don't know. The issue is from my side because it not don't it's from my because Ryan's able to see my board.
I got the answer.
And you are correct, Ryan's. Jessica, is it okay now?
yeah. Now it's okay, but I think in one
Yeah,
minute do that again.
Yeah, you could ask this thing your parent that our internet connection is good or not. Okay.
you
Oh,
should.
now it just happened again.
Oh,
Hmm.
then you need to ask this thing your parent that maybe your internet connection is not very good. That's why it happened.
Mm.
Okay. So
Oh,
after
we can
class,
see it.
yeah. Please ask this thing to your parent. After the class, please ask this thing to your parent. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Because the issue is not from Ryan's side. So if the issue is from you both, then it may be my fault. Okay.
The
So,
screen just became so bigger.
hmm
It became a little bigger.
whose screen? Your screen or my screen?
Your screen just became a little bigger.
Because
Same
you
with your
because
screen.
you on the autofocus, Ryan's.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, your screen is big.
Okay, you did something. So whoever's talking, that's the one that's gonna go on your screen. I bet.
No.
What?
I pin myself. So whomever talking, it's not depend upon them. Like my screen is always bigger.
Yeah, it's
Okay, so
normal.
Jessica, it's your turn. Rian's answer this question. It's your turn. Write down the first common two multiple of 4 and 6. So a multiple
Well,
of 4 is
4, 4, 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32,
so
36,
on.
40.
Just leave it. So on. Jessica, what's the multiple of 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42,
This thing
48.
again revise your times table, okay?
Yeah, I definitely know my times table. It's just that there's something wrong with my brain. I
Oh
know
yeah. So again, maybe you need to do that thing again because you are stuck.
You should ask your mom to ask you questions. It should help.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't hear you.
You should ask your mom to help you with to ask you some questions to maybe.
Okay. So what I asked that write down first two common multiple. Okay. So
Right.
common multiple between these two are first is 12 is common in both 4 and 6.
Yeah.
The next one is
24.
yeah. We don't need to do anything else.
I put the answer.
Yeah, you are correct. Now I explain this thing, but just for Jessica.
Mm.
If the question asks about three common multiple, then we need to move further. Here 28, then we need to increase more. So after 28,
36.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So multiple is nothing but just about timetable. If you revise the timetable carefully, then you able to answer it out. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, now the second thing we are talking about, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. So in short, we say it as LCM. Lowest common multiple is nothing but LCM. Okay. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6?
12.
Yeah, it's 12. Because similar thing we need to do here also. First we need to find out the common multiple. First we need to find out the multiple of 4, then multiple of 6. After that
And
we
you
need to find out
multiply
the
them.
common multiple, and then
Then you have to find the smallest
yeah.
common. And this question, can there
Yes.
be an LCMF, LCF?
No, lowest common factor. No.
Or it's going to be one only?
Yeah, it will be one only. Yeah, you are correct.
Is zero?
No,
If
not possible.
no, but can there be an LCM?
If we talk about prime number, then it's very common. In prime number, what happened is there were only two factors. One is 1 and second one is the number itself. So for prime number, what will be the HCF? So HCF of two prime number be always 1. Because in prime number, there are only two factors. One is 1 and the second is the number itself. So what common among them? 1 only.
Yeah.
So the HCF of prime number will always 1.
Oh.
Okay. Sometimes the question also asks like this way: what's the LCM of 3 and 5? So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? So if we see in 3 and 5, here we are talking about this CM of 3 and 5. What will be the answer?
5.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, 15.
15.
Yeah,
Yeah.
15.
Very good. How you get the answer, Rans?
Okay, so you find the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, then 21, and so on.
Yeah, yeah.
So then we find the 5 multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so and so on.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you look at the the first. Now you find the common multiples.
No, I just
So
asked you it with you. You are explained very clearly. I understood what are you going to explain. But I asked you because your answer is just instant. I write the question and you answer me. So what's the logic behind this? How you think that what will be the answer?
oh, I just do the I just calculate in my brain, like I just do the freeze and then the fives and then I just
Okay, okay,
3 times
yeah.
5.
Yeah. This thing comes out after doing the practice because you know the timetable very well. That's why. You
Yeah.
understood. Oh, in 5 timetable, only 15 will come, which also divided with 3. That's why 15 will be the answer. Okay, then it's good. In our in our earlier class, we are going to understood the concept behind this, that how could we find out the LCM easily. Okay, but from now on, I think it's okay. We don't need to know much more about this. Okay,
Now we
if
hmm,
you like, then I also explain that how to find out those LCM for.
about
Yeah. Do you want to
Yeah.
know the logic behind that? How to find out the LCM? Actually, that's not from your class, but if you want, and I surely explain.
uh, I'll explain. I'm a year 4 only, so maybe I can
No,
understand.
it's not needed for you. For your class, it's okay. For year 4, year 5, this is okay.
Wait, how which year does she go to? Which year is she in?
You're fine.
Year,
Year
oh,
5,
I'm year
year
4.
5. Yeah, you are in year
Yeah,
4. She's
no.
in year 5. So the concept, whatever I explained, is for both year 4 and year 5 children. Okay. So yeah. So the LCM of two prime numbers is always equals.
1.
HCF will equal 1. Now I talk about LCM.
LCM will be,
Here 3 and 5, these both are prime number. Okay.
yeah,
So what will be the LCM of these two?
15.
Yeah. So the LCM will always equal to product of these two for prime numbers only. Okay. So one thing you need to fix in your mind, that LCF of, sorry, first is HCF of
Yeah.
two prime number will always,
B1.
yeah, and LCM,
Uh,
and LCM,
It will be the number multiplied by
the
the other number.
product of those two. Okay. So what the HCF of this 5 and 7?
Hmm. The
HCF.
LCM,
Yeah, HCF.
it's 1.
And what about the LCM?
35.
Very good. Jessica, did you get this question or not? Did you understood what's going on?
Yeah.
Yeah. So HCF of two prime number will always 1, and LCM of two prime number will always the product of those two.
Yeah.
The thing that this is just for the prime number, not for all number. Okay. Okay. So I think we are about to finish. Now we just talk about the negative numbers.
Your
So here,
screen is your screen is not the biggest screen. It's like an upside down triangle.
What?
Yeah, like I'm on the top left, then Jessica's on the top right, and then you're in the middle, the bottom middle.
Yeah, the bottom middle. So my screen is the big screen actually. Is it?
It's not. It's the same size. If I align it, it's the same.
Like
Okay.
twins.
So do you see the view option in the top?
Yeah, I do see.
Click on that.
Or should I just spin you? I think I'll just spin you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
spin the speaker.
now I can see you. Big.
Ah,
I've pinned you.
yeah. Okay, so now we talk about negative numbers.
Oh, I thought you already did negative numbers.
Yeah, we already talk about negative numbers, but again, at the end we are talk about negative numbers because we need to do some question based on this. So my first question is try to chat me the question answer of this question. What will be the answer?
Wait.
I'm done.
Done.
Good, very good, Jessica. Rian, no, you are not correct.
Mine's like
Jessica is correct.
to be a minus.
Yeah.
It was meant to be a minus. I accidentally done a hashtag.
Oh, you try to write -7. Jessica, you try to write -7 or just 7?
7.
Yeah, 7 will be correct. How -7, I think.
Um.
I was just telling you I accidentally written the line. The
Yeah, it's fine.
hashtag.
Yeah, I understood that you were writing 7 only. Then you say -7, then I got confused. Oh,
Okay. So, 5.
okay. Try to solve this question also, Jessica.
I think I minus them too. I minus the other way. 12 minus. I took away the 1 and the minus.
No, here what's
I'm
going
done.
on? 5 is in minus sign and 12 plus. Okay,
I'm
Yeah.
done.
Jessica is done. Just let me check.
This
No, Jessica.
time.
Now what you try to write? 7 or -7?
7.
No.
-7. Minus 7.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, let me explain for this for Rian's, I think. Oh, you write the answer for this question, Rian's?
Yeah.
Yeah, then you are correct. I think you understood what's going on. So, think like this way. If there is a minus, then we always do the plus.
Yeah.
But we need to put the sign of minus. Okay?
Yeah.
When there is a plus, minus, then plus. Then we always do minus. When there is plus, then minus, then we always do minus. When there is a plus and plus, we always do plus.
Yeah. Let me write that.
Okay. So
Minus,
the concept is that when there is a two different sign, we always do subtract. Rians, don't work it out, please. Just understand what's going on. I give you time and you just solve those answers. Rians,
Oh, I was writing it those four in my book.
sheet in a sheet.
Yeah.
I give you time. Just please do it
Yeah. I'm
carefully.
done. I'm done.
Okay. So when there is a minus, when there is a different sign, we always do subtract. And where there is a same sign, minus minus or plus plus, we always do add. Okay? But one thing we need to fix in our mind is that we always put the sign of those which is bigger. Here,
Okay.
in this question, we do add because there are two similar sign, minus and minus. So we always do add. Okay? But what we need to put the sign? We need to put the sign of minus. Okay?
My
Yeah.
For this question, minus 5 and 12, because they are two different signs, so we always do the subtraction, right? But what sign we need to put? We need to put minus sign or plus sign?
minor.
No, plus, because
Five.
12 is bigger than 5. We always
Yes,
put the
five.
sign of bigger number. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so what will be the answer of this question?
I'm done.
Think about a sign, Jessica. I say always put the sign of bigger number.
Done.
Good, Rans. Okay, well done. Jessica, you're also correct. Now, so what the concept says? Concept says that when there are similar sign, that minus minus or plus plus, we always do the addition. And when there is a different sign, one is minus and second one is plus, then we always do subtraction. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So if the question is like this way, minus 10, then minus 20, then minus 30, what will be the answer?
You do minus 10 minus 20 minus.
Same sign. We always do.
It's a bit confusing. I don't know which is the. So that's minus
I'm
10 and
done.
then that's 20 and that's.
Okay, solve carefully. Like this minus minus became plus. So
I'm done.
we add these two. This 10
Okay.
and 20 became 30. So now we could write it like this way, 30 and then minus 30. Okay? Because
Yeah.
minus minus, we always add these two, but always put the minus sign.
Put the answer.
Good, good, Rans. Then minus 30 will become minus 60. Okay? But if you carefully understood what I say earlier, I says that if there was similar sign, then we always do the addition.
Yeah.
So here all are in minus. So we do the addition, but put the negative sign in our answer. So here we add these three and put the negative sign. Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Oh.
Now try to solve this question. 12 minus 8 and minus 2. So this
So
is
you're
2.
so that's 12 and then that's 8 and that's 2.
Yeah, 12 is in plus symbol because if nothing is written in front of this, then it means it is in plus sign.
The I put the answer.
Good, Rians.
Can't see your board.
This is
Can't see-
12 and this minus minus became plus. Okay.
I can't see.
Yes, Jessica?
Can't see your board.
Ow!
You can see me or not.
I can see you, but I can't see the board.
Oh, what's going on? Something wrong on your side, I'm sure. Now is it okay, Jessica?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, these two are with same sign. Okay?
my answer.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. I think now we both understood about these negative numbers and all.
Rachel's gone.
Yeah. Ryan's
He's
gone. Oh,
yeah.
yeah. It's not good. He must need to ask me like where is going on.
Yeah.
Ryan's, this is not good. Where are you going in the middle of the class without informing me?
I just got my water bottle and
You need to ask this thing to me.
okay.
It's fine. But after this, yeah. So I think now you get everything, whatever I explained. Is there any confusion?
Oh no.
No? So shall we finish our class?
Yep.
Okay. So in our homework, there were a lot of questions. And this is your first time, so please do it very carefully. Because in today's class, we are learning so many new things. Right? Yeah. So please go through all these things again by yourself. Okay. And with the help of your parent as well. And then try to okay, bye, Iran. You say bye bye again. So yeah. So go through all those things again and solve the homework carefully. Okay. And if you have any doubt, you could ask me in the group. You
Uh,
parent post those questions and I surely reply there.
Yeah, because for the arithmetic test you didn't give the answers.
Yeah. Now I think Naveen sent all those answers there.
Okay.
Yeah.
what are we meant to have there?
Sorry.
Yeah, you're meant to have them. You're meant to write the two tests, the first
Yeah.
two
Yeah.
tests.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. So now we finish our class. Bye bye, both of you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye, Jessica.